We have just discovered 2 birds having sex.
And we can't.
Look.
Even me and Glenn can't get sex, but we've got birds having sex.
Flyaway, it's flyaway
Dirty,
sex.
dirty,
It's
dirty,
flyaway
dirty,
sex.
dirty, dirty,
It's
dirty.
flyaway sex. Go on, just boom, Go on, just put it in there. Go on. Go on. Oh, do it. Oh, shots of lubricant. I could spit on it for you if you want. I could spit on it for you if you want. Oh, they've done it. Oh.
Oh, hello.
I just got a jacket on. This is nature taking its course. Come on, hurry up. Oh, look at you, lovelies. Oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Stop it. I'm going to wet myself.
Oh, look, it's very undignified. I don't know if they're scrapping or bumming. Are you gay? Are you a gay bird? Oh, they've got 1 in the bushes, 2 in the hand. Oh, they've come out.
What do you mean, no?
They've come out.
Well, the cousin.
Lisa, how do you feel?
I'm violated.
Birds, come on, birds. Birds.
Anything for my Julie?
They're the only ones who have had penetration on this. Look at my breath. Where they gone? Oh, they're humping. Oh, I feel like Bill Oddie. I feel like she should be on Crime Watch. No. What's it called? Country File. Country File. I should be on Country File. I'm giving you some lights so you can put your penis in it, honestly. Oh, she's running away. Get her. I think this is birdie rape. I think it's birdie rape. I think it's birdie rape. Oh, a little bit, but I'm going to go now because I don't want to be an accomplice to birdie rape. Bye.